Hello everyone and welcome to computer tutorial videos. Today is just a very quick tutorial on how to find the average of two or more numbers in Openoffice Calculator. So what you want to do, you want to go into the cell where you want the results to appear. So for this sheet of data we're working out the overall average temperature between the high temperature and the low temperature. We want to find out the mean temperature. So what you want to do, you want to click on the cell that you want the result to appear in, and you want to go to Function Wizard, which is this little icon here. You want to click on that, and you want to scroll down until you come across average and then you want to click on next, and then you want to type in the numbers. So in this case we've got 6.9, and then we've got 2.4. Then once that's done, you'll see the result pops up there. The average between those two numbers is 4.65. Press OK, and there your numbers appear. That's just a quick tutorial, guys, on how to find the average of two or more numbers in Openoffice Calculator. This is a really easy way of doing it. I know you can probably go to function and then click on the boxes and all that, but this is just a really easy way of doing it. Yeah, okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, hope you found it useful. Please give me a like, and if you found it useful, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. Okay, that's all for now, and thanks for watching.